Hey guys, welcome to my first project. In this project we want to know how to have a business in our house. So in my first part I just want to tell how can we record our screen and with Movavi Screen Recorder Studio 10. If you want to download this great application, the download link is in my description. You can download it. So at first I double click on it. Here we go, Movavi Screen Recorder Studio, and it has many things right here which you can use all of this. And this version is Pro and it has license fee. So I click on record a screen for we need this. Okay, now when it runs, and close this. Copyright Movavi all right reserved. Mobile Screen Recorder Studio. Here we go, it's right here. It has many features, right? Full screen or like this, you can take it, the cursor, or I just gonna make it full screen. Capture area or resolution. Webcam, I don't need webcam. Yeah, system audio or microphone. I disable the microphone, just system audio. I disable this auto, and also if you want effects, keystroke recording, all keystrokes. If you put it on this, it just will record Control plus A or something like that. Only keyboard and shortcuts. Okay, let's go to setup effects. Here we go, cursor options, show cursor on recording, highlight cursor, you can change the color, maybe to this, or you can take this, maybe 1 or 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, or everything in one like 19. Here we go, it's here, and now click on OK. You can change the size and like small or big. Highlight clicks. If you want to, if you left click, it will be red, and right click purple. And mouse click sound. You can change this to as song or default. I don't have any sound, so I put it in default, but I don't want to record it. Now it has many things like webcam, video, frame size, audio quality, frame rate, or keyboard shortcuts like Control S, Control P, Control C. If you want to change them, you can. Or file and save output video, and to like here save screenshots, to here general like language or more like this. Click on OK to save the setting. Now click on record to this red button to record start recording your screen. Click on it. It will start after 3 seconds. Now here we go, I just gonna left click or right click. Everything we want, and show desktop icons. I just gonna change something. Or Control plus D, Control E, I put these shortcuts. Okay, let's see what happened. Use Control S. It's done, and I use that shortcut to pause my or stop my recording. Now let's see what happened. I'll do to 0. Okay. You can see right click, left clicks, everything wrong. There we go. Yeah, it's like everything we need on this video. Control D, Control E, and these things. Okay, here we go, and see ya guys on next video. I wish you had a great time with this video. If you want, you can wait until the second and third part of this project comes. See ya guys, bye.